Hey everybody, it's me Abisanver, and in today's lesson we'll do exercise number 1 of unit number 1, whole numbers and operations, grade 5, based on the One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Try it. What number am I? I am a 7-digit number. My tens digit is 5. My 10,000th digit is 3 less than my tens digit. My ones digit is the greatest one-digit even number. My thousands digit is 3 times my 10,000th place digit. My greatest place value digit is the sum of my 10 digit and my 1000 digit. My 100,000 place digit is the ones digit of smallest two-digit number. My hundreds place digit is the product of my tens place digit and my 100,000 place digit. Exercise number 1. Write the following numbers in words. I have written them. You just have to copy them in your notebook. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. First number we have is 131,441, which is 100,000 plus 30,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 1. Match column A with column B. 700,800, 278,078, 808,808, 1,216,000. Write the value and place value of the colored digits. Place value and place. 5, 3, 6, 8, 9, 4, 6, 5. They all are the colored digits. I have the place value for them and the place. According to 217 census, the population of Islamabad is 1,014,825. You have to write it in words, write the place value of each digit, and also write it in expanded form. Since you've learned all of this, you have to do this question and the question after this by yourself. The speed of light in vacuum is 299,792 kilometers per second. Write it in words, place value of each digit, and in expanded form. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.